Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Steven Universe bagel sandwich. This easy method brings a beloved cartoon snack to life with simple steps. First, ensure you have all your ingredients laid out on a clean surface. We'll be using 1 fresh bagel, about 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and 2 ounces of smoked salmon. Don't forget your fresh produce and seasonings for that perfect finish. Now let's get our bagel ready for assembly. Carefully slice your bagel in half using a serrated knife, creating 2 even pieces. Place these halves into a toaster or under a broiler for about 1 to 2 minutes, aiming for a light golden brown. Once toasted, take about 1 tablespoon of cream cheese for each half and spread it evenly from edge to edge, creating a creamy base. With your cream cheese spread, it's time to add the delicious fillings. Gently lay the 2 ounces of smoked salmon over one of the cream cheese-covered bagel halves, ensuring good coverage. Next, add 3 to 4 thin slices of red onion and 2 to 3 slices of ripe tomato. These fresh ingredients provide a wonderful contrast in texture and flavor, building a truly satisfying sandwich experience. For the final touches, a sprinkle of fresh dill adds a bright, herbaceous note. Take about 1 teaspoon of chopped dill and scatter it over the salmon, onion, and tomato. Carefully place the remaining bagel half on top, gently pressing down to secure all the layers. Your delicious Steven Universe-inspired bagel sandwich is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. It's a simple, delightful meal or snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.